With all the variety of videos I've done, am I really a YouTuber until I've done an unboxing? Alright, so let's do our first ever unboxing here on the Memories by Wayne YouTube channel. And we are going to be unboxing this, which I would consider to be the missing piece at Wayne's Arcade World version 3.0. Now, if you're wondering what Wayne's Arcade World is, I will link my original video in the description below. You can also find it in the McHenry playlist. Now, this won't be an extensive game room / arcade video. If you want all the details about the decorations behind me, the games that I have in here, definitely check out that video. Not much has changed, although there are a few little minor updates. And my friend Eric, aka 165 on YouTube, did request an update video, so this will serve as an update video as well. But the main topic of this video is this missing piece. Now, a lot of this I have collected from my previous versions of Wayne's Arcade World back at my childhood home in Northlake, Illinois. But there was one piece that might have gotten thrown out, maybe is somewhere still in the bowels of the basement of my childhood home. I'm not sure. But I decided to buy one myself. So, let's go inside. I have not opened this up yet, so this was an eBay purchase, so hopefully it's good. We'll find out. Well, they say you've made it big on YouTube when you start doing unboxings. Well, maybe somebody says it. Alright, let's see what we have inside. Well, it's what I ordered at least. We have an LED neon wall sign. Which one do we have, though? Should be this one. Looks like all this is just gonna pull right out. Oh, wow. There's a few pieces here. Nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. That is good. There's also a few extra bonus pieces that I don't know if I'm going to use yet. We have this business hour sign with some stickers on the back. You can put whatever hours you want. I actually did have something similar to this in both version 1.0 and 2.0 of Wayne's Arcade World. It's actually still hanging up in my childhood home, but I'm going to hang on to it, and who knows what I will do with that. And then we also have, which is kind of cool, and this I will probably hang up somewhere, I just don't know exactly where yet, but open and then closed. We'll return again soon with the little clock. And mind you, yes, I was looking for open signs, okay? I used to have a little desktop open sign, a neon, long before LED was really that big of a thing. And it was neon, and it would just kind of glow on, and glow off, glow on, glow off. Tiny little thing, maybe the size of my hand or so. And I thought it was really cool. And it was sat on a little shelf. And I tried to find something similar to that. Something that would sit on the tables in front of me here, and I could not find anything that was tabletop, desktop, an open sign. Everything hung. And I found many different items. A lot of stuff that you probably recognize from other people's rec rooms, businesses. And I found a ton, generally in the $25, $30 range. Definitely not bad at all, but I found this one for under 20 on eBay. Barely, but still under 20. And also included all this other stuff, which none of the other things did. So I'm hoping it's a good product. It was a reputable seller for sure. And we have a few pieces and things, little hooks to hang it up on. This is a chain. Of course, this is going to have to hang on the wall. And a charging cable attached to the sign, and a little USB to power outlet connector, which was very important to me as well. So this was a big plus. All right, let's get to the sign. And besides being what I thought was a pretty decent deal, I kind of like this look. It is LED, but has a neon look to it. It wasn't crazy goofy with the flashing LED lights and all this other stuff. It's simple, yet still has that neon look that I kind of missed from my old arcade. That open sign, as small as it was the big neon thing in the room. And I think what stuck out to me the most is it's got a clear backing. I don't know why you can see that, but yeah, it's got a clear backing to it. And I thought this looked really nice. Now, this is not where I'm going to put it, but see if you can see it. But yeah, it's going to have a kind of an invisible look on my wall. And I think this will look pretty neat once it's officially hooked up. All right, the moment of truth. Here we go. Now, there is a switch. Oh. Nice. That is cool. I was a little worried about the brightness, being it's, a little bit more on the cheaper side, at least price-wise. Now let's see how it looks on the wall. Oh yeah. That is going to be perfect. Now I think the blue LED is just kind of messing with my camera, but it is actually a lot brighter than it appears. Now I don't know exactly what use I have for these hooks yet, but this is about it. Just hooks on the chain, and we hook the chain on our wall. And we may as well get our quick Wayne's Arcade World update out of the way. Games are absolutely the same from our original video. We have our Wii, Red Edition, NES Mini, SNES Mini, Genesis Mini, a bunch of Atari flashbacks, and a bunch of handhelds behind where Stitch is hanging out now. And not much to talk about here, except for my Lilo and Stitch lamp. Of course, Lilo is now hanging underneath the lamp. But I also swapped out the color changing remote controlled LED bulb for a GE stained glass bulb that I picked up for a few bucks at my local Walmart. I wasn't really a big fan of the way the LED bulb looked with the lampshade. And I think this creates a pretty nice effect. Well, of course, we have our Alex Clark poster. So, are you ready for the big reveal? Check that out. It fits perfectly. I did have to move the lava lamp over because it was kind of blocking it, but hey. I like my lava lamp, but the open sign is going to be the star of the show, I think, now. Well, I guess there's not much else to say, other than Wayne's Arcade World is officially open for business. Click the like button and let me know in the comments if you are interested in these more personal type of vlogs. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.